Hey everyone! Today we're reviewing CustomCat for drop shipping. Find links below. CustomCat's a print-on-demand platform specializing in high-quality apparel, accessories, and home goods. It's perfect for scaling your e-commerce business with custom products, fast fulfillment, and competitive pricing. Their huge catalog boasts over 550 products, from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and pet supplies. Customize anything with their user-friendly design tool, uploading your artwork and previewing the final product. Easily launch a store with a unique, professional product line. CustomCat's flat-rate subscription unlocks discounted base prices, boosting your profit margins. This competitive edge is perfect for drop shippers. Their US-based production means fast fulfillment, typically 2 to 3 business days within the US, far better than long international shipping times. CustomCat integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, automating everything from product imports and order processing to inventory updates. Focus on marketing while they handle production and shipping. Bulk ordering is also supported for product testing or larger orders. While the subscription model might not suit beginners or low-volume sellers, established sellers or those scaling will find the cost offset by increased margins and faster fulfillment. CustomCat's an outstanding choice for drop shippers wanting high-quality customizable products and fast delivery. Its pricing, product variety, and automation are powerful tools for scaling a professional online store. Check the links below to explore CustomCat and see if it's right for you. Hope this helps you decide.